Hi, today I'm going to make these very pretty little flowers called bird's eye primrose. Very easy to make. Materials required are crepe paper in bright pink and green, thin wire, thick wire, orange colored pen, green floral tape, and this is yellow acrylic paint. All the measurements are in centimeter. This is the stencil for the flower. This is 2 centimeter by 2 centimeter. So basically you just need to cut out a flower shape like this. Then this is the leaf. This is 7.5 by 2 centimeters and the base is half a centimeter wide. Cut as many as you like. And this is of the sepal. This is 2 centimeters by 0.75 centimeters. Cut the same number as the flowers. Cut a piece of thin wire, and this would be around 6 centimeters long. Now take the paint, the yellow colored paint, and just dip the tip of the wire in it so that you get a head like this. I'll just leave it to dry. Now take the flower and with the thin wire just punch a hole through it in the center. Carefully, like this, and take the orange pen and just make a circle round that punctured hole, like so. Now take the wire after it has dried and just apply glue, very little glue, just below that tip. Put it through the flower. So that it rests right there and let it dry. I've cut a thin strip from the pink paper. So just stretch it, apply glue on it, and wind it from below the flower. So first I'll just wind it like this a bit and then just slide it up. So it rests right below the flower and cover about 2 to 3 centimeters of the stem, like so. Take the piece for the sepal and cut out 5 thin sepals on it. Like so. Now just curl the sepals in one direction, like so. Apply glue and stick it just below the flower and just roll it. So it will look like this. Then take the green tape and wind it from the base of the sepal till the end of the wire. Like this. Then just take a wire or anything like this and curl the petals. So this is how the flower would look. For assembling them, first take a long piece of the green tape, stretch it, take the thick wire and just put the flowers one by one, starting from the top. like this. So I'll put all of them. So after I have attached all the flowers, just wind the tape, covering about 20 centimeters of the wire. And then take these leaves one by one and attach them in a whirl all around the wire. So I have attached about 5 leaves. Just open them out. And then the flowers also. You can attach up to 10 flowers, 10 to 12 flowers on one stem. And this is how the stem would look.